Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day. Today's video is very special because if you saw my birthday vlog, you know that I got something very special, something that I wanted like so bad, something I wanted for over a year now. It's been like a year and a half since I started my channel, and thank God for my boyfriend because he got it for me. Guys, it is the Canon G7X Mark II. Oh my God, y'all, I was so happy when I got this camera. Like, if you want to see my first reaction to finding out I got this camera, make sure you go check out my birthday vlog because girl, like, it was emotional, okay? This is my first camera ever in my life, and I am like, I have to figure out how to work it and everything like that, but we're gonna figure that out. But anyway, you guys came here for an unboxing. So this is how I received it, and the way he like gave it to me is so cute. If y'all want like a little short story time on that, I'll do it on like my IG stories. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram as well. But look at this, so cute. I have a freaking camera. Me, like what? All right, so let's just get to it. So first things first, I received it like this. Well, he picked it up because it says right here he picked it up. So this is how he received it. So opening the box, we have some registration instructions. Things are falling out. That was just cardboard, nothing important. We have some warranty instructions or warranty form. We have a Canon G7X Mark II guide. Can you guys see that? There we go. We have a guide right here. A lot of information. Then we have, what is this? More information, safety instructions. We don't care about that, to be honest. We want to get to it. Then we have the battery charger for the camera right here. So that's that. And this is I guess a strap, so you can put it on your camera. Yeah, it's a strap. Nothing too special about the strap. Well, actually I took it out already because I was so excited and the camera died, so I just charged the battery. But this is the battery, and dun dun dun. Let me show you guys these memory cards that I got off of Amazon first. So I got these in a bundle deal. This one is a 128 gigabyte, and this one is a 64 gigabyte, and I got these together. It came in a bundle for around $56. I'll link it in the description box because the deal was like really great, and I was like, why not get two instead of one for like 30 bucks or like 40 bucks or whatever. So this is the Extreme Pro memory card, and it says it's 4K V30, speed up to 170 megabytes per second. So the SanDisk memory cards, I was doing research on memory cards and it said that these are pretty good. So I was like, I need everything to be top notch, like, period. And finally, for the big reveal, the camera's in this little plastic thing, and it's in this, I guess, foam. Let me set everything down. Okay, calm down. But this is her. We have to name her. She is so pretty. Let me flip it up. So this is how I'm gonna be, y'all. On my vlogger shit. I'll be like, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the, I guess, viewfinder. This is what it looks like when you flip the screen up and the buttons. All right, so let's turn it on. So let me put the battery in and a memory card inside of it. Here's the memory card inserter. What's this? Oop, that's not it. Where do you put the memory card in? That's to charge it. Wait, oh no, I have to plug it up to the, huh? So it's telling me to set the date and time. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. I don't even know what time it is. It is, I have to check on my phone. The quality. I don't know how to put a memory card in this thing. So let me figure that out. What I do? Where does it fit? I'm so confused. Where does the memory card go? What the? Okay, let me turn it off.
20 minutes later.
Oh, it goes in there with the battery. All right. I had a slow moment. I did not know. I thought it had its own like separate. But I'm going to put in the 64 gig. All right, so I'm assuming I put it this way. Okay, I think it's in there. All right, so I'm about to start recording now. Am I recording? Hey guys, can you guys see me on the screen and on? Wow, wow, like, wow. I'm sorry, I'm blocking y'all from seeing. So this will be the last video of me recording on my phone. So that's very exciting. Wow. Wow. I'm trying to get like right in front of the ring light, but I don't want to block you guys. You guys, this quality. Oh my God. You can see everything. It's so clear. Look at my background. All right, I'm gonna move out the frame really quickly to see if you guys can see me like without light in the camera. Let's test it out. Wow. Oh my. Y'all freaking out. This is amazing. This is amazing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm about to act. Oh, I'm trying to tell you, I'm about to act a fool. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I am so hyped right now. I can do more vlogs with you guys. I can do so much and I'm so excited. And all right, so I'm just gonna record on my phone now. So see you guys later. Did it stop? All right, how do can I view it? How does that work? Wait, how do you play it? Do you push those play? Oh, I can touch it. Wait, how you turn the volume up? This is crazy, y'all. Oh, okay, let me turn it off. And then turn it back on to make sure it's there. Okay, it's there. I don't know how to work cameras because this is literally my first camera ever. So I'm just gonna do some playing around with it. Oh, someone's like, with it. Oh, thank you. And I got me a ASOS package, so you already know Charm Haul coming soon. But anyway, yeah, I am going to do some playing around with the camera and see what does what. I am going to be having a lot of fun with this, like more vlogs coming soon. I know at one point I was doing them like in the beginning when I first started, but it was no point because I didn't even have subscribers. Nobody cared about what I was doing in my life. And you still may not care now, but I'm still gonna vlog. If you're thinking about getting this camera, get it. I'm telling you right now, get it. This camera, it's lightweight. I know most cameras are like big and heavy, but I feel like this, my hand been extended, it wouldn't hurt bad. And I need to stop holding it without the strap because I feel like I'm gonna drop it and I would be totally sad if I dropped this camera. How do you zoom? Let's figure that out. How do you zoom? Is it this one? Oh, it is. Wow. Hey guys. Wow, that's how you zoom. Okay, so I'll do this stuff off camera because I'm sure you guys don't want to see me figure things out. It's not what you came here for. That is it for my Canon G7X Mark II unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys, if you're looking into getting a camera, consider getting this one because I think it's pretty affordable. Quality looks great, guys. It looks so good, and I feel like this camera will be easy to like carry around, record on, and I'm sure it'll be easy to figure out what does what. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more and to see more videos of mine. Now that I have a camera, the quality is going to be A1. So like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.